Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur your background on Zoom. It's super simple. I'm not going to be on camera today, but this is just like my keyboard, I guess. Go to video here. You can instantly blur your background here, and it's going to blur a lot of things. You can also go to video settings, go to background and effects, and go to virtual backgrounds and select the blur one if you'd like. And it's just going to it's going to blur out your background. For instance, your room is a little bit messy, it's just going to blur it out. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.